Netflix stock is dropping. I'm gonna tell you 5 methods that you can use to profit from Netflix stock, and plus one bonus way most people don't know that they can use regardless of stock price dropping, going up, or doesn't go anywhere. They can profit from it. Netflix stock dropped 9.09% on April 19. For the past 5 days, Netflix stock dropped 11%. Year to date, it stayed up 18.47%. For the past 5 years, Netflix stock is still going up 48.07%. So why did Netflix stock drop now? Netflix reported earnings last week and they decided not to report subscriber numbers. So investors thought, hey, there must be something going on. Why don't they want to report subscriber numbers? Because they have been reporting this for a long time. Does it mean that subscriber numbers already peaked and could it go down later? I think it's true that subscriber number can go down later, but what's more important is that Netflix company wants investors to focus on revenue, profits, free cash flow, and revenue per user. All these informations are much more important than subscriber, because even though you may add more subscriber, what if you cannot squeeze money off the subscriber? And what if the subscriber don't spend more time on Netflix and they spend more time on YouTube, and they want to report how many percentage of users spend more time on Netflix and how many revenue per user that they get, and also free cash flow. I think that's a good approach for the management and for the company. And another thing is that Netflix forecast revenue lower than expected. They are forecasting revenue growth of 16% in the second quarter, but only 13% to 15% for the full year. That's why stock price dropped. So there are 2 reasons why stock prices drop. So these are the main 2 reasons. All the other results they reported are pretty good. Let's look at them. Netflix reported subscribers additions of 9.3 million. It beat expectations of 4.8 million after adding 13 million in the fourth quarter. Remember, Netflix only added 1.7 million paying users in Q1 2023. That's almost 10 times in 1 year. Revenue also beat the expectations of 9.27 billion to hit 9.37 billion. It's an increase of 14.8% compared to last year. Remember, a stock not only have to beat estimates, expectations, but also raise the guidance for the stocks to increase after earnings report. Because Netflix did not raise the guidance, even though they beat all the estimate, all the expectations, it still dropped. Look at the EPS. They also beat EPS, with the company reporting EPS of 5.28 above expectations of 4.52. It's double 2.88 EPS in the year ago period. Look at that. And guided second quarter EPS of 4.68 ahead of consensus cost for 4.54. Yes, it raised the guidance for EPS, but not the revenue. Revenue for the whole year did not beat expectations, and they are gonna stop reporting subscriber in 2025. Look at the subscriber going up, but I believe they're gonna stop somewhere. Remember, if more people get internet all over the world and they start watching Netflix, that story might change. But I believe that Netflix gonna stop focusing on subscriber growth, and they don't want investors to focus on subscribers. They want them to focus on revenue, profits, free cash flows, which is very, very good strategy. Because if you have to report more numbers, if you have to focus on subscriber growth every quarter for your stock price to rise, you can't focus on profitability. You can't focus on making great contents. You can focus on increasing free cash flow, which are more important in my opinion. A company can have the same subscriber, the same numbers of subscribers, and they may still make more money if those subscribers pay more every month or every year. They increase ad tier memberships 65% quarter over quarter after rising nearly 70% sequentially in Q3 2023, Q4 2023. Yes, if people watch more advertisement, they're gonna get more advertising revenue, and these people are new customers. Remember, they did not sign up for Netflix because it was so expensive. Now they think, oh, you know what, with the ad tier, I'm still watching ad on my cable TV anyway, so I don't mind watching ad on Netflix. Just pay a little bit and I get so many contents, so many new movies. Yeah, I'm gonna sign up for that. So that's why I think it's a good strategy over long term. And Netflix stock was basically already up quite a lot. So you see, before reported earnings, like I said before, if the stock price is already up a lot, it will be really hard for them to jump after reported earnings. So like I said before, that's why it drops. It already had a higher probability for them to drop because the stock price already up a lot. Let's look at 5 methods to profit from this Netflix stock. Number 5, if you think Netflix stock could go down lower, you can wait and see before you buy. If you think that Netflix has a long-term potential really good, and you can possibly wait to buy, and you are sure that it's gonna drop further, and right now it's 555. Hey, if you think it will drop further to 492 or 500, you can just wait for it, and you don't need to buy it right now. But if you think Netflix is gonna jump, bounce back after the drop, you can dip buy right now because every dip is an opportunity. So what if you are not sure if it's gonna drop or if it's gonna go up further? You can do number 3, DCA, dollar cost averaging. You can buy a little bit right now, and if it drops more, maybe 2 weeks later or 1 month later, you can buy a little bit more. Or if it goes up, it still doesn't matter. You can still buy average up because it's over 600. So if you think it's gonna go up more than 600, you can just dollar cost average. Really doesn't matter. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you one method that I prefer to use. It doesn't matter if Netflix stock drop, go up, or doesn't move at all. So I can use that method. Number 2, you can buy call options. You don't have a lot of money, but you still think that Netflix is gonna go up, then you can buy call option. Right now, stock price is around 555. So if you think Netflix can go up to 565 or 560, then you can possibly choose an expiration date. When do you think it's gonna go up? If you think it's gonna take about 1 month, then you can choose May 24. Then you can buy call options. If you choose a higher strike price, you pay less. If you choose lower strike price, you pay more because safety. If you choose lower, the chance of it expiring in the money is higher, so you need to pay more. But if you choose too high of a price, yes, the premium is gonna be really low. But if the stock price drops more, then you can potentially lose all your premium by the expiration date. So the stock price has to rise really quickly before the expiry date for you to get profits. Method number 1, you think that Netflix is gonna go down more, then you can buy put option. Right now the stock price is 555, so you can buy put options. Possibly it's gonna go down to 550 or 545. Yes, the lower the stock price, the lower the premiums, because the chance of it expiring out of the money is higher, so you just need to pay less. But if you choose higher stock price, then you need to pay higher premium. And put option means that if the stock price drops, you make money. So the more it drops, the more you make money. That's put option. But you're not sure if the stock's gonna go up, down, or going sideways, then what I usually like to use is a sell put option. But I believe that Netflix gonna go up, not drop so much. I could sell put option. Then sell put option, it could not go down 540, less than 540. Then once I sell it, then I will get 1,285 in my pocket right away as a premium. The Netflix stock put option buyers gonna pay me for that, so I don't need the stock price to go up or possibly going sideways is okay, and going down is also okay if it doesn't go down lower than 540. So what do you think? Which method do you like the most? Comment down below. If you are just starting out, you can sign up for the stock trading account. The link is gonna be down below as well. Share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.